in Thor, Ragnarok, who cameoed as an Asgardian actor portraying Thor in Loki's play? The options are A. Chris Hemsworth, B. Tom Hiddleston, C. Luke Hemsworth. The correct answer is Luke Hemsworth. Who is responsible for assembling the Thunderbolts? The options are A. Nick Fury, B. Valentina Allegra de Fontaine, C. Tony Stark. The correct answer is Valentina Allegra de Fontaine. Which original Saturday Night Live cast member makes a cameo in Ant-Man? The options are A. Garrett Morris, B. Dan Aykroyd, C. Chevy Chase. The correct answer is Garrett Morris. Which superhero is Karave famously known for hunting? The options are A. Iron Man, B. Spider-Man, C. Black Panther. The correct answer is Spider-Man. Where do Shang-Chi and Katie work as valets? The options are A. Mandarin Oriental Hotel, B. Fairmount Hotel, C. Hilton Hotel. The correct answer is Fairmount Hotel. Whose power exceeds that of the Sorcerer Supreme? The options are A. Doctor Strange, B. Wong, C. Wanda the Scarlet Witch. The correct answer is Wanda the Scarlet Witch. What kind of trees take center stage in Captain America, Brave New World? The options are A. Cherry blossom trees, B. Oak trees, C. Maple trees. The correct answer is cherry blossom trees. What type of scientist is Bruce Banner? The options are A. Nuclear physicist, B. Astrophysicist, C. Biochemist. The correct answer is nuclear physicist. What is the name of the alien race Loki leads in the Battle of New York in the Avengers? The options are A. Kree, B. Chitauri, C. Skrulls. The correct answer is Chitauri. What is the real name of the villain Red Skull? The options are A. Johanna Schmidt, B. Arnim Zola, C. Heinrich Zemo. The correct answer is Johanna Schmidt. What is the name of Shang-Chi's mother? The options are A. Ying Li, B. Li Mei, C. Mei Ling. The correct answer is Ying Li. Who is the sorcerer and ally of Doctor Strange known as the Ancient One? The options are A. Wong, B. Yao, C. Mordo. The correct answer is Yao. Which Marvel character is known for breaking the fourth wall? The options are A. Deadpool, B. Rocket Raccoon, C. Loki. The correct answer is Deadpool. Who is the first character to utter the moniker Scarlet Witch in the MCU? The options are A. Wanda Maximoff, B. Doctor Strange, C. Agatha Harkness. The correct answer is Agatha Harkness. Who cut Thanos' head off? The options are A. Thor, B. Iron Man, C. Captain Marvel. The correct answer is Thor. In Avengers Endgame, which Infinity Stone does Natasha sacrifice herself for? The options are A. Soul Stone, B. Time Stone, C. Mind Stone. The correct answer is Soul Stone. Who is the villain in Ant-Man? The options are A. Ghost, B. Yellow Jacket, C. The Wasp. The correct answer is Yellow Jacket. In Spider-Man Far From Home, what necklace does Peter buy for MJ? The options are A. Black Dahlia necklace, B. Silver heart necklace, C. Rose gold pendant. The correct answer is Black Dahlia necklace. What is the alias of T'Challa's sister in Black Panther? The options are A. Suri, B. Okoye, C. Nakia. The correct answer is Suri. In Spider-Man No Way Home, which version of Spider-Man saves MJ after she falls? The options are A. Tom Holland, B. Andrew Garfield, C. Tobey Maguire. The correct answer is Andrew Garfield. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.